Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make a key command for your insert a blank keyframe and your insert frame. So then that way we don't have to worry about going up to this icon each time we want to make a new frame, because that can get awfully annoying. So also I'm going to show you how to make a key command, so then that way we can extend that frame and insert a frame. So then that way, if we want that dot here to pause or be held for longer than one frame, we can then go ahead and then do that. So in order to do this, we're going to go up to where it says help, and you're going to type in key, and we're going to click keyboard shortcuts. From here, you're going to type in insert blank keyframe, and then where it says shortcuts here, you're going to click in this just little space right here next to where it says this other command, and you'll get this bracket, and we're going to type in 1, and then we'll click OK. So now if we look down my key or my timeline here, if I press 1, notice how it makes me a new keyframe. So if I just press once, now I don't have to keep going all the way over here. I can just press 1, and then I can see that keyframe there. So that way I can just quickly move this dot around and not have to worry about that. So what I'm going to show you how to do now is insert a blank frame. So instead of having to go here to make or hold that frame for longer, I'm going to show you how to now make it so you can just press 2 and it'll make those for you. So to do that, we're going to go back up to help, type in key again, and go to keyboard shortcuts. We're going to type in insert frame, and you're going to do the same thing. Click in this little blank space here next to where it says F5, and then we're going to press 2 on the keyboard and then press OK. And now I can just press 2 on my keyboard, and that will make me a new frame like so. So 2 is to make a frame, which is going to be what you will use to basically hold a frame for longer. And then 1 will probably be your most used. So then that way you can just, draw your image there. Press 1, make a new frame. If I want that frame to stay longer, I can press 2 for a couple frames, and then go back to 1. And then now if we take a look at this time frame here, we can loop that. Notice how every time we see a long gap here on that frame, that's where we've inserted a frame, and that's where it's held it for longer. Oh, gotta move this over. Boom, and then it'll look something like this. So hopefully that's going to help you out a lot and speed things up. The more we get into Adobe Animate, the more key commands are going to become more of a thing, just to speed up the process. And then that way you don't have to go and make so many additional clicks with the mouse.